Well, soon a message that might have seemed harmless could cross a legal line. As Kylie Hill finds out, a new Kentucky law is tightening the rules around how educators can connect with students.
Apps like these will no longer be a way for students and teachers to communicate.
We're trying to close off that access to kids so that we can reinstate those guardrails and put those protections back in place.
By banning texting and third party apps, Senate Bill 181 aims to close the gaps that could hide inappropriate conversations. The bill is sponsored by Republican State Senator Lindsey Titchener of Smithfield.
Any communications can be accessed by parents so they know what's being discussed in those conversations.
Under the new law, coaches, teachers, even longtime family friends have to have consent forms from parents before communicating outside the approved school platforms.
It breaks my heart to see that kids might go to a school and be victimized in that way through a relationship that was improper, and that access through social media and phones. If we can just close off that access point, again, bring parents into that communication, it's going to ensure our kids are safe.
Ashley Nation, a former Indiana student, says she was groomed by her teacher. That's why she supports this change.
What began as seemingly harmless conversations and messages soon escalated into a situation where I felt trapped, vulnerable, and unable to seek help. Because there were no policies in place, this teacher exploited the lack of monitoring and regulation to operate without oversight, leaving me isolated and unprotected.
A study from Kentucky Youth Advocates shows more than 70% of educator misconduct cases in Kentucky between 2015 and 2021 involved electronic communication.
This goes to show how technology is being misused by these positions of power to exploit our students.
Despite support, many Kentuckians are against the bill, saying it violates First Amendment rights.
I think a lot of that will be cleared up as school starts and as the policies are put into place by the districts, and whatever little things after that we'll tweak when we get back into session.
The bill goes into effect on Friday. Kylie Hill, Fox 56 News.